ADC yago chopja katal dol Tripura mothane pula kasku angka borom gnang Vijay Kumar Rangkhol. Tini kasia kokthomone kothomong khlaye saklai rekha Tripura mothane chairman Babagra Podirkishor Manikko Deborma. Chairman Babagra Podirkishor Manikko Deborma kung chuguna saka tini hai sal angka beleno kok mungnang sal tini hai salono chonchajaka TUGS o salono ang ani bodolne pula kaskuni mung saklai mani beleno khaklap chugo hne saka borom gnang BK Rangkhol ani salai beleno okra tai thungrung krung adok bono ani bodolni kusuk asuk thai rei manai bini phunukjak lama tunya himi manai tei bini elem rungmar ni banyo bodolne samungo buskang awgitlangi manai hne saka ang pulene simino thancha tong kusang tei kathalai tongani kok salai tongo abono ungthung hne bo saka chini bodolni kotor naharmung angkha greater Tripuran obno tini buskang agunai Babagra tebo saka jefuro BJP phanok koroi afro BJP ni Janajati Morcha State Council sanka tabu BJP phanok tongo haike tangi tabu abo sanya sumoti saka ang o sanmungotoi deliwo thangna tiar tongo norok jesa phano bodolni jesa phano neta notlangi thangde ang khorokso social borok angi deliwo thangnai phia aro thangai ane khoksa khorangbai joto Tripura sharo korok kathawi khorang tisana hini saka botebo saka state BJP anota muri manai anorunan bagai boroni yago mungsa phan koroi hnibo saka Babagra abno kare Greater Tripura Land NRC CAN tuibo khokhenka hane nechibre chalmaribo TTADC ne pula council koklam asolane hnibo saka.
Good afternoon, friends in the media. I would first of all like to thank you for coming here on such a short notice. And I would like to say a few words before I offer the mic to our beloved leader Vijay Rangkhol ji. I have always said that Thansa is our main motive. Greater Tripura Land हमारा main मकसद है. ये एक मूवमेंट है. इस मूवमेंट में कोई व्यक्ति बड़ा नहीं है. ये मूवमेंट एक ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड के लिए है, हमारे इंडिजिनस लोगों के लिए है. और जब तक ये मूवमेंट रहेगा और पॉलिटिक्स कम रहेगा, पार्टी कम रहेगा, हमारा मकसद पूरा होगा. दैट्स आवर एम. फ्रॉम डे वन मैंने थानसा यूनिटी एकता के बारे में बात किया है. मैंने कहा है पुइला जाति उलो पार्टी या पुइला जाति उलोबो जाति, मतलब कि पार्टी को आप पीछे रखिए और लोगों का इंटरेस्ट आप सामने रखिए. मैंने पहले भी बहुत अपील किया था और आज आई वुड लाइक टू ऑफर द स्टेज, क्योंकि आज आपको शायद बहुत यंग जर्नलिस्ट को मालूम नहीं होगा, लेकिन आज फाउंडेशन डे है फॉर TUGS. और आज ऑन दिस हिस्टोरिकल डे विच इज़ द फाउंडेशन डे ऑफ TUGS, मैं चाहता हूं कि विजय बाबू, विजय रांखोल जी, जगदीश देबबर्मा, शिवचरण, हमारे उमाशंकर, हमारे सीनियर लीडर्स यहाँ में हैं, INPT से जो भी हैं, उनको एक फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट करना है. और उसके बाद इफ देयर इज एनी क्वेश्चन आई विल बी हैप्पी टू आंसर देम along with all the leaders. I would like to add, before Vijay Babu speaks, I have a major announcement. आज से त्रिपुरा मोथा, फिर से प्लीज रीड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, त्रिपुरा मोथा का प्रेसिडेंट, अध्यक्ष विजय कुमार रांखोल होगा. दिस इज़ अ फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट और ये मेरा हम लोग का पॉइंट है. आई एम फॉर्मली अनाउंसिंग विजय कुमार रांखोल एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा मोथा.
bodolni pula kasku borom gnang Vijay Kumar Rangkhol bisi bachi ba sigromoi thengrungni samungbai gdalja kwrungjak omorajak phono khao phan tongkhon khani phanbana samung tangnai hini saka ano asu kusu khamra de mani bagai bubagano hambai rekha phanya salo khoroksa sengkrak angai samung tangnai hini.
Now I offer the mic to the Honorable Vijay Babu.
Thank you for the opportunity. I am about to stop because of a job. I recall my almost 55 years of career in social works. I confess I am the smallest person, but I am the happiest to remain alive till today. Moreover, I am happy to be an associate co-workers with Honorable Maharaj Pradyut Kishorji, and I agree and I confess that the Tripura is turning to new phase. It takes some more times, but I believe so many people are coming under the vision of our Maharaj Pradyut Kishorji. Today I am happy, unworthily, inefficiently, to become president of Tripura Motha. I would have been happiest if I could have rendered the presidential responsibility. So I accept it in the interest of our movement, in the interest of our people of Tripura, irrespective of languages, irrespective of faith, irrespective of our likeness. So today, as Maharaj has spoken, historical foundation day of TUJS, which was held at Kanta Kobrapara on 10th and 11th of June 1967. So at that time I was very young, of the age of 24, 25, something like that. And we fought and we attained also. Today, our next generation have come with a new vision, and I believe they will succeed. As elder, I have every spirit of blessing to people, those who are honestly fighting. And the fight should be very democratic fight. The fight should be fairness, and it should be unitedly. Today I have seen some men, women, those who were very young, and I have seen them following us also in their younger age. They have come back today, especially from the women. Madam Monihar, and other days also I have seen Madam Swapna and others who joined Tripura Motha. I thank them very much from the core of my heart, and all of you today, to declare our newness, new dream, new vision, to attain our greater Tripura land. We are analyzing, we are talking about the greater Tripura land. It should be attained, and we are trying to step on to meet the authorities at the central government so that they can sympathize our cause. And they should know that we cannot give up. When I started fighting from 1966, 1967, we fought and we attained, we succeeded. That's why today we have the existence of ADC. Who fought for that? We fought today for the greater Tripura land. We are the same fighter. We have so many promising younger people under the shades of our beloved Maharaj. And everybody is coming and accepting their responsibility. Today, sitting here, I may be the happiest person. And my every blessing will be upon them. And my regards to the media, so that you can share our joy also. Just to come back to our foundation day of Tuesdays, the same spirit we are carrying today. Because if I want to become newest man without vision, I will attain nothing. I will inflict the interest of the people. That should not be the vision, that should not be the way of our launching movement. We have to stand beside the poorest man, beside weakest man. Many people are feeling today they have no place in the society. They have no stand in the party, be it national, be it regional. But we open our heart for everybody. And I once again thank you all, especially those who have come today from different organizations. They have come and committed themselves, and we regard them. We want to hand over our responsibility on the younger people, especially our Maharaj Pradip Kishoreji, who has the best exposure in the state, and under his leadership and honestness, people have come forward and allow the Tripura Motha to have the ADC authority, ADC governing party, and we hope the state government, every other organization will cooperate us so that we can have corruption-free administration. This is my plea and my appeal once again. I remember for the elders in different places in the state, they are gathering together today, be it 10 people, maybe 5 people, maybe 20 people. I have been receiving information from them just to commemorate and remember our Tuesday's birthday, the 11th of June, in different places. Therefore, today, the great heart of Maharaj Pradip Ji to realize and acknowledge, to say yes to our request, to reveal the important days of 11th of June, which was birthday of our Tuesdays. And we still do carry the spirit, we do carry still the idea of fighting fearlessly, fighting ceaselessly to attain and to achieve it. We fought that time. I fought almost 55 years and we have succeeded. Today my advice to the leaders, those who are coming up, they must say in future that they have succeeded or they have achieved greater Tripura land. So this is what, as an elder, I want to convey.
Tirin okok thumani kuthum mungo kubun bodolni adong jugrobo hanno Tripura Motha hapai mani nukjakha.